Previously on Ballybraddan.
It's the hay saved and Carrick bet. Tell her.
Bantor!
Game Rockfort!
We came so close.
Some people are saying it was a fluke we got to the final.
We'll prove them wrong.
With half our team gone to secondary school? We'll teach the new people.
Ah!
You've been mushed!
I'm ready for the Carrick match.
Easy! Carrick are useless!
Even I'd be ready for Carrick, and I don't know how to hurl.
You'll be playing far better teams than those losers. So we keep up your training.
Yes! More mushing with water bombs!
No, starting tomorrow, move to professional level.
Slickers?
Give me a fair chance. Shout, incoming!
What if one hits you?
None shall pass.
We'll see about that!
Ugh! Ugh!
Don't fling them in the wardrobe.
I'm trying to concentrate. Ugh. Poetry's so hard. I can't think of anything to write.
What the?
I'm sorry.
No harm done.
Yeah, this time. Until you hurt yourself.
You're right.
I am? Oh.
Find it a good home. I've only one more chance to win a championship. This is what's important.
When do we tell them the news?
Time for us to begin again. We start with a win against Carrick. No holding back. Consider it teaching them how to hurl. Some year, they might even make a game of it. Yes! Je ne regrette rien. That's French. It means I've no regrets. When the final whistle blows on this, for what will be for some of you, your last ever championship, let ye be able to say, I have no regrets.
'Tis a very important year now for their schoolwork as well.
Yeah, you make your speech, I'll make mine.
I agree with Mr. Ord.
No, in Kilkenny, they say they are born holding hurls, and they never let them go. This year, let ye and your hurls be best friends forever, inseparable, like sock and hoopy. Schoolwork's your friend too, so be sure and carry your books as well. But I said I had news, and news I have. There's a huge change to the championship this year. The final is on Patrick's Day. Yes! Hang on, you haven't heard the venue? Crockpack!
You are nowhere near ready for sideline cuts. Hone the skills you'll need against Carrick, like lifting. We already have our expert, Solo.
The sideline cut is an art.
Who was the best ever?
Too many to list.
Name some. Mr. Henry remembers every game like a computer.
2 cut pines by Ger Farragher in a league match against Kilkenny. I can't remember the year. There was Ollie Baker's in the 95 All-Ireland against... I'm sure you'd prefer to be cutting.
Huh? You missed? You never miss.
I broke his concentration.
I won't miss against Carrick.
Nobody misses against Carrick.
Beacon, you're supposed to be encouraging her.
Great effort, little sis. Keep it up.
Thanks, Beaks.
Someday, you might even be as good as me.
Practice your jav lifting and roll lifting.
Ugh, you only have seconds in the match.
I have other skills.
She said she wanted to be surprised.
You've only 2 more days to prepare.
Incoming!
I am preparing.
Yeah, go girl.
Now I'm going veg smashing.
I get to be captain for the first time, and I'm stuck with my baby sister.
She's a bit of a larrikin, but that was impressive.
We don't need larrikins. We have a qualifier to win.
To beat Carrick, all we have to do is show up. We always win, they always lose. The hay saved and Carrick bet. It's what we do. Fiona's in 5th class now. She's not a baby.
Hastings Tower is as big a part of our town as the legendary salmon that gives Ballybraddan its name.
Sorry.
Achoo!
Control him!
I think you'll find discipline in the class is my job. And you, behave, or detention.
Achoo!
Sullivan, detention.
Oh, but sir, I couldn't help it.
I feel lousy.
It dates back to Norman Ireland.
Oh, on Tussel Hendrick. By all means, come in.
Just a quick word with my hurlers. Early to bed tonight, lads and lassies.
I think some of them are coming down with colds.
I might cancel.
We'll be fit for tomorrow, sir.
I suppose it's only Carrick.
Achoo!
It's all going wrong.
Come on, Sam! You're our gazelle! I can't believe we're only 1 point up.
That's it, Sam. Dig deep. They're out on their feet. They've given everything.
We can hold on for 1 more minute. A win by a point is still a win.
Fiona, clear it.
Oh. Ah. Oh. Oh.
Never mind lifting, Fiona. Swing your hurl. Get it anywhere. Sock your legend.
Point!
A draw against Carrick. It's never happened before.
We might get one more chance to win it.
Solo, get it to Sam!
Wide.
Point! It was wide. I'm not Hawkeye. I saw it creep inside the post. Just.
It didn't go over, it didn't.
Take your puck out. You're a point behind.
Keep them out, Ballybraddan. Solo, drop back to cover.
My shot wasn't a point, it was wide.
I didn't see.
I did. I don't want to win this way. It's not fair.
Maybe we should make it fair. You mean we'll let them score?
Mark up, Ballybraddan!
Carrick don't deserve to lose like this.
Imagine if that happened to us.
Solo! Clear it long! Sam! Get to him! what I stopped playing at. And you knocked me over on purpose.
No, I only meant to stop you. Ours wasn't a point. That makes it even. Now we win. Properly.
Game!
The game is over. You made it a draw. Against Carrick.